What it do, Band Runner Squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video, you guys. As you tell by the title, you guys, I have met up with a good friend. Yes. But before I get into this video, you guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you'll be notified every time we post our freaking video. My friend has traveled all the way here from Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas area, you guys. So let's go step up in the building. I'm so hyped right now, you guys. I don't even know what to say right now, but I'm ready and I can't wait, you guys. So let's see who we talking about.
I ain't never been, but
yeah, they got the best. Get some shaved ice. Let's get this focus. They got the best shaved ice here in Texarkana area, you guys. Oh, my camera dirty. We need to clean it.
Girl, you need to go and clean it. Wipe it down a little bit.
I know.
Okay, you cute now. You
girl,
I got a
half a head, you guys. You know what I'm saying? I sacrificed it all.
Yo,
What's up, you guys? Hey, kids, how y'all doing?
I'm finna get them out.
I call my truck the bus too.
Girl, oh
that's the bus. Oh no! You're so pretty, sis. Oh my god!
I thought I was a celebrity.
Oh my gosh! Oh yeah. Okay, now we got some focus, you guys.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
Let me put my phone back on.
I wish Eric could have been here, you guys, but he was asleep. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let you rest. I know.
Y'all look in the flesh. It's my girl.
Hey, we didn't start. We lit already. You already know. Band Runner Squad all day, every day. We in this thing. Hey.
Oh wait a minute. Hold on.
Okay. Listen, we finna get some
rainbow.
Oh, we finna get some shaved ice, you guys.
Let me get.
Chels, she ain't never been here.
Let me get 5 child smalls.
Look, she said 5 child smalls. Oh, that's the size. I thought she was saying made up a size.
Yeah.
Oh, it is called child small. Yeah, I thought she was making up a size. Oh, let me let y'all see what we looking at. She's over here on the grind, man. I forgot I changed my name. She over here ain't playing no games. She ain't playing no games, y'all. Why you bring your camera?
I'm from Texas. You from out here, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm from Texarkana.
I'm from right here.
I'm the Texarkana YouTuber. She from where she from. Been doing YouTube for a long time.
So y'all gonna check us out.
Shoot, I'm almost at
80,000, right?
I'm almost at 200,000 followers, y'all. Y'all go ahead and make sure y'all go ahead and follow us on TikTok. Okay, I ain't like I forgot how to walk down the stairs. You know what I'm saying? You know, sis got the moves, you know what I'm saying? Doing it, y'all make sure y'all go follow my sis, you know what I'm saying? She got the moves. Okay. You better work it. You better work it.
Period. You know what I'm saying? That's how we get down. TikTok gonna add me on TikTok, you know what I'm saying? The kids looking at us like we crazy.
You know what I'm saying? You better work it. You better work it. You know what I'm saying?
just ran into my sis, bro.
No,
My kids act like they embarrassed. You know, this is
why?
an everyday thing.
This is normal for us.
Yeah, Jaden already said it. He said bougie, bad.
No. That was all her. I didn't say nothing.
Like what? Yeah, get away from over there. I don't know what that is.
Freak over there.
Just swallow it up.
I don't know
Get back.
You better tell my mama.
Man, this is lit.
I know, anything. Listen, I wish Eric would have came. I was like, man, get your broke ass up. But you know what I'm saying? I left his broke ass laying in the bed. But you know, it's nothing.
Look at the shirt,
You know what I'm saying? Eric? Hey, I got my stimulus check. I ain't broke. I got that stimmy still.
Got that stimmy, baby.
Yes.
Bro, y'all gotta see how the kids looking. They looking at it like we're crazy.
I know, like what the hell? What the hell is going on?
I'm glad it's shaded up over here. I was hoping that it was some shade over here. It's high. I'm
It is.
Brother Jay got all the shade.
The baby, look at the baby over here. She like, I don't know them. She's like, I don't know them. I don't know them. I don't know them. She said, I don't know them.
I know people looking at us like we crazy.
We are. We are.
We is. This is what we do. We entertain, baby. We entertain. You know what I'm saying?
Cause y'all don't know it ain't nothing but a thing but a chicken wing.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Somebody beeping. That's me? Oh, that's
Wait, that's the buzzer.
Oh, that's mine. Oh, you had too many. Yours ain't ready yet. Okay, so I'm on the scene with my. Okay.
There you go, man.
Thank you. Okay, so I got my icy, y'all. Yours ain't going off because she had 50.
Hey, look at that tiger blood. Look.
I told you I was gonna be. I'm a rah. You know what I'm saying?
She got the teeth in the mouth.
Rah. You know. I got the tiger blood and I'm gonna rah. You know.
I hope mine's good. I had some cream. I forgot what I got.
Oh, you put some cream in yours? Oh, I know that's gonna be
You should
coming.
add some cream in yours.
Unless they gonna be busting.
You gonna ask them to put some cream? I forgot which one yours was. You told me the cream. Okay, Jason.
Everybody want a cream. They probably like we.
I'm gonna need my card. Wait a minute.
We gotta wait the line.
Yeah.
Y'all.
I'm dripping blood.
I'm hot.
I didn't make it to the premiere, but I am a part of the premiere. Listen here, y'all.
Yeah, get it.
Okay, so y'all make sure y'all check out Finding Chels Lorraine, you guys. Okay, period. And she actually in the middle of a premiere, and she's not doing her premiere, but you know, hey, she right here eating icy. Y'all put it on. Yeah, And all these people in here in your live. Okay, I'm telling on her, y'all. Listen. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, be careful. Everybody sit down. Don't feel it.
It's good, y'all. This is tiger blood and wedding cake. I think I just made up some stuff. Cause one day I couldn't make up my mind. You know, I was like, hey,
That's a good meal.
I'm just gonna put it in the cup. You know, we're gonna make it work. Just what you got? What you got?
Over here vlogging.
What you got?
I don't know what she talking
What you
about.
got? What you got?
I got I think it's just plain strawberry with cream.
Oh, she don't even know.
I don't even know what I'm
She was like, let me order.
I just got strawberry and cream in there.
Okay, so that's
it.
fine, y'all. You know, the kids. Storm got an attitude. She mad because Shonda over here. She mad because Shonda my friend.
Yeah.
That's what's wrong with Storm.
I hurt my feelings.
To my baby. Everybody.
Storm is mad at me because we are doing a YouTube video. And then she said, Storm, what you mad about? See, she's mad.
Talking to
Storm. Jay. Look at my baby.
She's mad because we're vlogging, y'all.
Middle name, you guys.
Okay.
That's Rain right there.
All right. I don't know. I didn't even do nothing. I showed up at the scene. I met up with my sis. We got ices. And Storm just, you know, she was just upset already from the top. She was already upset.
Yeah.
And then, Storm licked her tongue out at me.
Storm, what you mad for? Give me the snow cone bag.
You good?
Oh my
She
God.
ain't nothing in.
Good?
I would rather go with.
Well, go
Oh,
with your PT. Go.
okay.
I don't know how you getting back to the house when you.
Okay.
Okay.
She rather be with her TT. You heard her.
Okay.
Is it good?
It's so silly, y'all.
Baby, she ain't worried about nothing right now. Is it good? Is it good?
I'm just happy my
She
sister.
says everything.
How can you take her seriously?
What's up with it? Where you going?
That's my man. Move, girl. Hey, what you doing? You got a girl? No. What your broke ass doing?
What you talking about, broke bitch? I'll buy your fucking girl money.
Look at your ass. Who you talking to? Where you going? And you in the passenger seat. But you in the passenger seat. But you in the passenger seat though.
That's all right. I'm gonna bite his head off. I'm gonna bite his head off. Hey, girl. Hey, friend. What you doing?
What you looking at?
Hi, Mama.
Oh, yeah, you got me, girl.
Right.
What your broke ass doing? She said you the girl from TikTok. She said stuff.
No, sir.
Like, oh,
Stay
it's
right
like a
there.
perv.
Stay right there. It's okay.
Okay.
Stay right there.
Nuh-uh. Oh, I don't even see you. What you doing?
Don't worry, guys. It's okay. Don't worry.
What?
So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Deleting your ass? What are you doing?
Feel your joy.
Hello. Thank you. What y'all? Huh?
What's on the ceiling? Y'all underneath the
Porch?
y'all under the porch? What's that at the top?
I ain't never seen no roof like
I ain't
that.
never seen a ceiling like that.
Huh? Oh.
You're not very pretty.
Huh?
You look very pretty.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you. Y'all are too. What's going on with the one at the bottom? You all right? I can't see you.
You all right? What's going on?
You okay?
Yeah, I do.
What's your teeth?
You all right?
What you trying to tell me?
I think.
What y'all laughing
laughing
at? The kids making jokes. That's what you laughing at.
Oh.
What they say?
I'm gonna throw it in.
They say what? No, they didn't say that. I don't think that's what they said.
Nah.
No, they didn't say that.
Well, you have a blessed day, honey.
Bye, sweetie, with your dry hair.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, what y'all doing?
How y'all doing today? Is your face okay, honey? Cause she just stuck.
She paralyzed. Thank you. She was talking about me.
And my friend is beautiful as
Thank
well.
y'all.
Please don't discredit her. She's very beautiful. Okay. Well, y'all have a blessed day. All right.
We gonna get out of here. Okay, y'all go. There y'all have it. There you go. Sis got to get on the monthly video.
I didn't think we was gonna do that.
So you see how they be treating me? Like,
Yeah.
you know,
They wrong for that.
it's because I got
Just hitting because you a model.
exactly. Period. Very cute. And then if y'all got something to say,
really trying to be in the video. Just keep walking by.
she trying to low key do it.
That's why you almost.
Quit laughing at y'all. I don't want no problem. Look, it's my teeth.
Look, I don't want no problem.
I ain't laughing. Is this my drink? Oh. She said, hey, stop laughing at us. What is she doing? I don't want no problem. Stop. I don't.
Y'all, me and my sister Shonda, we can get the monkey out. Y'all need to make sure y'all go check out that video.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure. I'm trying to get to say.
Post it before me.
I'm gonna post it on the vlog. Y'all, I can't really sit here and believe that I'm getting bullied right now. They're bullying me, and I didn't. See, I told you, and I didn't even do nothing. All I did was show up on the scene. You know what I'm saying? Came here to see my sis.
They
And
think she
is-
stole me away.
and yeah, and she's bullying me. I'm getting pushed around and everything, and
Somebody got him away.
and she's see, and I can't make this up. Oh my God! Hey, I'm finna give you. That's all right. I'm finna give you my teeth.
She gonna give you my teeth.
You need
Look, she need it.
She gonna say she need them.
My baby loves me like that. Come on, baby. Come on.
I'm not getting ready to play with
I gotta bully her back.
her and my sister talking about some she need them.
Cause she started with me.
Come on, you want your TV too?
I'm not going to play with them.
Listen, Storm started bullying me. So I have every right to defend myself.
You do.
Every right.
She said, look, I'm gonna give you my teeth.
I forget Storm my teeth. The two fairies that stole Storm teeth, and I'm here for y'all.
She want the two front teeth.
Yes.
Don't pick that straw up and put it in your mouth.
Go get another straw.
It's okay, she okay. It's almost done.
Okay, y'all. Just gonna put an end to it. Our sis is leaving. Sis is leaving, y'all.
Oh,
Sis is leaving, y'all.
I love you.
Love you too, sis. Thank you. Oh my gosh. We have safe travels back home.
Yes, and y'all have fun on y'all vacation tomorrow.
know, we ready, y'all.
Y'all turn up, get
We
lit.
finna turn up. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing but a thing but a chicken wing. It's hot. It was nice meeting y'all.
Say bye.
Bye.
Good luck on your YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Good luck on your future YouTube.
Because he gonna get one.
Okay, period.
He gonna get
And
one.
kids like watching kids, so he probably
Yeah.
do better than us, you know.
Yeah.
We might be a little antique, but you know, hey, we still got it.
We still got it. I love you,
Love you too,
sis.
sis. Bye.
I love you.
Oh, be careful. Bye.
Be careful too, okay?
Okay, I gotta go.
All right, girl.
Bye. So y'all, my sis is gone, you guys. Like I say, it's been a great time, great vibes, you know what I'm saying? Until next time, you guys. So I'm heading home and hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. It is BANDRUNNERZC Squad all day, every day, and I'm in and now out. Peace out, squad.